Hyaluronic acid and its benefits to our skin. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in the human body that helps to keep our skin hydrated and plump. It is a type of glycosaminoglycan, which is a long chain of sugars that are found in connective tissue throughout the body. There are 3 types of hyaluronic acid. Hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid is hyaluronic acid that has been broken down into elements small enough to penetrate the skin. It's moisturizing, but not the most moisturizing option, so it's best for people who have oily or combination skin, since these skin types want to avoid over-moisturizing. Sodium hyaluronate goes deeper into the skin and delivers even better results, though the effects aren't very long-lasting. Sodium hyaluronate is best for people who have normal skin, because it will allow moisture to seep in, but you don't really need a heavy-duty, long-lasting effect. This is the ingredient you'll likely find in serums. Sodium acetylated hyaluronate has the benefits of sodium hyaluronate but with longer-lasting results. It's best for people who need moisture, such as those with dry skin, those who live in dry climates, or those looking for a product for the dry winter months. When it comes to skincare, hyaluronic acid is often used as an ingredient in moisturizers, serums, and other products. Here are some of the benefits it can provide for the skin. Hydration. Hyaluronic acid has the ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it an excellent moisturizer for the skin. It helps to keep the skin hydrated, which can improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plumping. When the skin is well hydrated, it appears more plump and youthful. Hyaluronic acid can help to plump up the skin by filling in fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-inflammatory. Hyaluronic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. This can be especially beneficial for those with sensitive skin. Wound healing. Hyaluronic acid has been shown to help promote wound healing by reducing inflammation and helping to regenerate new tissue. Hyaluronic acid products come in various forms that you put on your skin. These include shampoos, lotions, creams, gels, ointments, patches and serums. You can also buy hyaluronic acid powder and mix it with water to create a hyaluronic acid serum you can apply to your skin. Overall, hyaluronic acid can be a beneficial ingredient in skincare products for its ability to hydrate, plump, soothe, and heal the skin. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel Blissful Skin for more videos and updates.